In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you boys and girls, circles and squares, how to see your YouTube comments history completely for free. Whether it's iPhone, iOS, Android, PC, Mac, laptop, Mac, you name it. Let's get right into the video. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so I have my iOS or Apple Steve Jobs device opened, and basically I'm logged in right now onto a YouTube account, and basically we're going to click this icon or this setting right here on the top right hand of the screen, or the settings icon, and basically I'm going to scroll down and then I'm going to scroll back up. See what I did there. And basically we want to click this option right here where it says manage all history, which is above your data in YouTube and below connected apps. So click that and wait for this to load. As you can see now, there's a couple options that we can click. Saving your YouTube history, auto delete. In this case, we're going to click auto delete. Actually, no, we're going to click X. You can click the third option right here, or the tab next to controls. It says interactions, and this is where the good juicy part comes into the tutorial. As you can see, if I scroll down, we have a list of different options, wall activity, and if I scroll up, we're going to click under here under video interactions. You can view video likes and dislikes, comments and likes, comments and replies. So click the third option, comments and replies. And as you can see now, if I scroll down, we can see the list of all of the different videos that we have commented on. And if we want to delete something or a comment or view our history, we can click the X right here. And it says confirm you would like to delete this activity, and it's up to you. You can click delete, the second option, and boom, bada bing, bada boom. You know how to see your YouTube comment history completely for free. And you can even say it doesn't want to show this again for 30 days. Bada bing, bada boom. If you want to see more free tutorials like this, drop this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.